Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run Doom on Linux. To play this classic game, you'll need two main components: a Doom source port and the original Doom WAD files. A source port is a re-engineered game engine that allows Doom to run smoothly on modern operating systems, including Linux. It updates the game for current hardware and software, ensuring compatibility and often adding new features. The WAD files contain all the game's levels, graphics, and sounds. The WAD files are crucial. They hold everything from the maps and textures to the sound effects and music. You can obtain these official WADs by purchasing the original Doom or Doom Roman 2 from digital storefronts such as Steam. Once purchased, locate the WAD files within the game's installation directory. If you prefer a free option, the Shareware WAD provides a limited but playable version of the first episode. Always place your WAD files in a specific game folder. Next, select a source port. GZ Doom is a popular choice, offering enhanced graphics, mouse look, and support for many custom modifications. For a truly authentic experience, Chocolate Doom replicates the original game's behavior and limitations precisely. You can install your preferred source port using your Linux distribution's package manager. For instance, on systems like Ubuntu or Debian, you would open a terminal and type sudo apt install gzdoom to get gzdoom up and running. Finally, it's time to launch the game. Open your terminal and navigate to the directory where you saved your WAD files and source port executable. To start Doom, you'll typically type the source port command followed by the EWAD flag and the name of your WAD file. For example, if you're using gzdoom with the original Doom WAD, you would type gzdoom EWAD Doom. WAD. Press enter and prepare to blast some demons.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.